Force Factor Shilajit Review. Does it actually boost energy and testosterone? So, the Force Factor Shilajit is a supplement marketed to enhance testosterone, improve energy, and support overall vitality. So, it is a natural resin found in the Himalayas, which has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. So, let's talk about the pros and cons of this supplement. So, first, it has a natural ingredient, which includes purified shilajit, known for its mineral-rich composition. It also has a testosterone support, so it has markets to help boost the male hormones level naturally. It also has in energy and stamina, and it is trusted by multiple brands. Although it comes with some cons, they have limited scientific proof. It also has an inconsistent result. There are also some possible side effects, and it has a high cost. So overall, it may help with energy and stamina and testosterone support, but the results can vary. It's a convenient option for those wanting a branded supplement, though cheaper raw Shilajit products might offer similar benefits.